Welcome boys and girls to this tutorial where I'll teach you how to enable dark mode on every single website. So for this we want to search Web Store, Google search it, and we want to go to the first link where we have to download an extension. The extension itself is called Dark Reader. It is a verified extension, so it is completely safe. If we click on it, add to Chrome, add extension, and it automatically just inverts all of our websites. I'm going to show you another function. If you don't want every single website to be in dark mode, you can play around with the settings. Just click on it, and here you have a site list. So you can either invert only listed websites, or you can invert every single website, not inverted, listed. So let me show you. If I go to CNN, Google is black, currently in dark mode. CNN should also be in dark mode, and this goes for every single website. Like I said, just follow the settings, click here, then click Dark Reader, and you want to play around with the settings if you want some websites to be excluded from the dark mode. So thank you boys and girls for watching. Like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye.